everyone, today we're going to be talking about separation techniques. Now there's two techniques I'm going to be showing you. The first one's called filtration and the second one's called sifting. Now both of these techniques are seen in the kitchen quite often. One of them is going to be about making coffee and the other one's going to be about making a chai. I thought I'd have a bit of a theme of drinks today. I want to talk about filtration first. Filtration is done differently with my coffee machine than it is if we're doing it in the science room. So I'm just going to briefly talk about that. So if you're doing it in the science lab, you'd have a mixture in a beaker, which potentially could be something like mud, where there's big particles and small particles that we can separate. You need to use filter paper in order to filter your mixture. You pour the mixture in and the filter paper will capture those big particles and only let the small particles go through, such as the liquid. So the liquid down the bottom that you end up with is called the filtrate, but all of those big particles that get stuck in the filter paper, that's called your residue. So first thing I'm going to show you what our filter looks like. So in my case, my filter is a coffee filter which comes with my machine. It looks like this. It's got these tiny little dots in it, and on the other side you can see that there's only one little spot that all the liquid can come through. And then I'm going to put my coffee in it. Alright, as you can see, my coffee's in there. Now I've actually compressed it with this because it means that the water will be going through it slower and it will absorb all the coffee goodness. If you're using filter paper, we often don't have a compressing part, but this is a really yum thing for coffee. So let's see how it filters. As you can see here, we've just got our liquid coffee. Now all of those big particles haven't gone into here, we've just got the essence of the coffee there. And the rest of the particles are still in here. Alright, we're looking at using a sieve next. When we sieve something, now most of you will know what a sieve looks like this. It has these lines in it which lets through some particles but only small ones, not big ones. Now I'm going to show you how this is helpful when I'm making myself a chai. In here I'm going to add my chai, which is tea. And then I'm going to use my milk frother to make it delicious. Alright, now that I've heated up my milk, I'm then going to use a sieve so that I can separate it, because I don't really want to drink tea leaves like that. Now most of you will have used a sieve before. It's a pretty simple process. You pour or put whatever your item is in. So it could be that you're sifting flour or cocoa powder. And what it does is it captures anything you don't want in there that is a bigger particle, or for the example of flour, it means that it's nice and smooth and makes your cooking better. So as you can see here, this is all my tea leaves that I did not want to drink. And if we look at my cup, you can see that there is no tea leaves in there and it's perfect to drink. I'm going to add some cinnamon because it's delicious, and then I'm going to drink up.